How are you?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Confident Black Girl and I'm going to be reviewing these press-on kiss nails with embellishments. And I'm just going to see how they fit, how durable they are, and their overall quality. So if you want to know all the tea on that and see what these nails is hitting for, then stay tuned. So what you will need is nail glue, of course. It's super important. Make sure it's a good glue. Rubbing alcohol just to take off the debris off your nails. Nail polish remover to remove the excess glue. Cuticle pusher and nail cleaner. A buffer, which I got from like CVS. You can get it from Rite Aid. And clear nail polish for, and of course the whole reason why we're here, the Kiss press-on nails. So one thing about me, I have long and skinny nail beds, and usually mainstream press-on nails don't really work for me because of the length of my nail beds, and they're way too short. So I just wanted to review these nails because usually Kiss makes shorter nails, and in the past I could never wear Kiss because their nails were so short. So I just wanted to see how these nails would work for me. So if you ever got your nails done, you know what to do here. Prep your nails and then wipe away all the debris with the rubbing alcohol. Make sure you don't have any cuts around your cuticle before you put the alcohol on because it will burn.
Bitch, I'm posh. 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 Hello. How are you? Hello.
Now this last step is completely optional. I just like to put a very, very thin coat of clear nail polish on my nail because I don't like, if one of my nails come off or I take them off, how it damages the top of my nail and takes some of my nail off with it, which is thievery. So to keep the nail glue from being a thief, I just put a very, very thin coat of nail polish on top. And here I'm just showing you guys the nails. They are definitely eye-catching. It comes with its own nail glue, but honestly, we're just going to discard that because I hate Kiss nail glue. It does not work.
Honey, I'm posh.
The nail is kind of like rubbery plastic. So if you're used to like wearing acrylics, I would not recommend these nails full time for you.
Fuck that hoe, she's fried.
I wouldn't really recommend these nails full time at all, but we'll get into that later. But basically here I'm showing you guys my dilemma with like mainstream press-on nails. As you can see, the press-on basically has this like own nail bed from where it goes into the nail shape, into the coffin shape. And these nails are obviously more suitable for people with shorter nail beds. So what people like me have to do is customize their nails so much that I create a whole new nail bed for my own. And if I don't customize these nails, then there's just gonna be like part of my nail showing, and that's really, it doesn't look good and it's not safe because then like water and dirt can get trapped under there and you can get a nail fungus. So now I'm just gonna shape and file the nails to my nail bed. This process, because the nails are like the way they are, it took a while. Honestly, this whole video was like an hour long and I compressed it into like 6 minutes or so. That's honestly real talent. But anyways, that's one of the reasons I would not buy the nails again, because of all the shaping and work that I have to do just to get them to fit. They're cute, but they're not that cute, and they're not that cheap for like one wear. They're $10 for like for actually 10 pieces, because those are the only nails that fit me and they don't have like multiple, you know, nails.
How are you? Are you coming home? Hello. How are you? Hello.
So now I'm just going to apply the nails. I use the slide technique. I go way more in depth about this in my other video, which I will link down below, about how to apply press-on nails. You put the glue on and then you slide the nail to eliminate any air bubbles and stuff.
You want to talk about reading? Honey, we could talk about some reading. Fuck that hoe, she's fried. I don't know what's wrong with these girls. They think they so cute and about it, and they really not about anything. Like, I will put all of them in their places. Very, very bad.
And now this is where I take the clear nail polish again and put it on the nails for shine, but also for durability. Because as you saw, the nails are rubbery plastic. They are easily bendable. So if you're going to wear them even for like a week, I'd say you need about 2 to 3 coats to put on just to make sure they don't bend so easily. So final thoughts on these nails. They are very cute. They are very eye-catching. Obviously, they caught my eye. But for the price and the work that I have to do, I wouldn't really get them again. Number one, they're not very durable. I'd say they're really good for like a week or so. But mostly with these nails, I feel like what their real use is for like a night, like last minute. Like say a night out and you just need some last minute nails. Photo shoot and you need some last minute nails. A dinner and you need some last minute nails. You know, like I don't know y'all lives, but yeah, they're really cute for like middle school or high school. And you know, you want to work your way up to going to the nail salon, they would be good for that. So that's basically what I would use nail for. They're not really like long-term nails, and that's why I would not, you know, buy them over and over. I'd keep them and then wear them probably like once in a while when I wanted like a little flair and I felt like doing all that filing and shaping that I cut out of the video. But yeah, those are my thoughts. Definitely comment down below if you would buy these nails. You can get them at any type of beauty supply store. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Leave any questions in the comments. I'm always in my comment section. And yeah, bye guys.